How to delete all emails at once on Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have downloaded the Outlook application on your device. So just go to Google Play Store and look for Outlook application. And if you have already installed it, make sure that it is updated and it is the latest version on your device. After that, tap on open and it will lead you to the home page. Now make sure that you are logged into your account over here. Now after logging in, what you can do is you can just see all the emails over here. Now if you want to delete all the emails at once, what you can do is just tap on the email, one of the emails, and then tap on three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. So tap on it, then you can see the option of select all over here. Tap on select all. Then you can see the delete option over here. Tap on delete, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.